Hey guys, so in this box here is something I definitely shouldn't have bought, but I did. I'm really excited about it, so let's unbox it and try it on together. It's a UK size 10, I would say I'm a UK size 12, and in a coat I would generally think about sizing up as well. It is a coat, I think I just gave that away. So this could all end in tears. Hopefully happy tears, but don't know, could be touch and go at the end of this one. But let's get into the box. A very clean pull, I may say, of myself. I think this is the biggest Gucci bag I have ever seen in my life. It's in a dust bag, so the final reveal is being teased, even from me. I'm so excited, I really hope this fits. Please, 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 please fit. Look at that colour. Like, just look at that colour. I love red. So here she is. She is bright red. The GG Gucci buttons, like we're not doing subtle and understated here. We're doing gaudy and gauche, and we're here for it. Is she not just the most beautiful coat you have ever seen? Oh, I love her so much. Let's pray she fits. Okay, going to be honest, just unbuttoned the coat to put her on for the first time. Those double G buttons, like, cute to look at, not the easiest to actually undo. Maybe something for consideration. The moment of truth. Okay, my arm doesn't feel like it's going to burst open. That's a good start. Okay, it feels a little bit tight at the tops of the arms and around the shoulders, but I feel like it's going to do up. Guys, it's doing up. Oh my word, it is so cute. I feel like it is just, it's kind of vintage looking, which obviously I'm always here for. We love a vintage moment. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. I mean, my bank balance is probably in tears that I can get this on and done up, but I am very happy. Look at her. Oh my gosh, she is the cutest thing. Oh, she is adorable. Oh my word. I love her. I love her so much. I've been after a red coat for a really long time. I used to have a red coat that I loved from Miss Selfridge when I was a student. Obviously got done, but I feel like I have missed that coat in my wardrobe so much. So although this obviously was a big investment, and given I am about to go back to being a student, I probably shouldn't be getting into investing in coats, but here we are. I've got like a few months left before I'm a student again, and then I will have no money for anything. So we're just having a little bit of a blowout just now. Oh, look at her. She is so cute. I feel like I'll just have her for years. I think she is so classic. She does come in black as well, and genuinely I actually could really use a black coat at the moment. Mine is a little bit dishevelled, but I certainly will not be buying another coat at this price in the near future. So I don't imagine by the time if I ever have the funds again to buy another Gucci coat, I think the black one of this will be long gone. But I feel like the red is the really special one. It's classic, yes, it's got the double G buttons, but overall it's not, as much as I said gauche and gaudy, it's just the logo in the buttons. Like, it's not like, a full monogrammed coat or anything. Which I if somebody wanted to give me a full monogrammed Gucci coat, I'd be okay with that. Please feel free. I'm not bad-mouthing a full monogrammed Gucci coat by any standards. But I feel because it's quite plain, although you do have the double G buttons, I feel like it's still quite classic. Right. We've tried it on, it fits. I feel like I've really got nothing else of substance to give you right now other than just me having a small meltdown over vaguely being in love with a coat. Is the point we're at in this life right now. Thank you for watching and unboxing it with me. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.